Hello, body shop industry. Kevin Lombard here with Duke. Side knee. Okay, we're getting ready. Duke is going to go through the Chief Streamliner with me. This is a lift that's designed to do light duty pulling. It collapses down to under 7 inches and you can drive on it. It uses electric hydraulics with a handheld remote control. Comes with a nice pull tower that, again, that's 5 tons of pulling, but it's great for the light hits. And it's also great for the body shop technicians to get these guys off their knees. This is great for doing estimates, for doing body work, and they can also do light pulling with it. It's been a machine that's been around for a while, built by Chief. New these machines sold for the 2 of these we have. They sold for around $20,000. We have the 2 of these for $34.95. They're both identical. The only thing, that one doesn't have the anchoring system, and you can see even the clamping system. We put new jaws on it, new hardware. The machines are ready to go. Again, if you won't do this for yourself, do it for your technicians. Get the guys off their knees. You're paying for these in lost production. Call the 800 number.